So in this video, we'll be learning about how to find HCF or GCD using long division method. So we will try to understand that long division method using paper folding also. So if the question is HCF of 15 and 7. So we all know we will take the smallest number outside and the bigger number inside, right? So what I have here is I have a strip with 7 boxes and a strip with 15 boxes. Okay, a strip with 7 boxes and a strip with 15 boxes. So now let us see how many times does this 7 go in 15? Twice, right? So 7 can be placed twice on 15. That means 14 boxes will be covered out of 15 and one box will be left out, right? So that means I place the 7 over 15. So 7 box is being covered. I could fold this over. Yeah, I could fold this over. So one box is left out. What happened? I just took a 7 strip and I folded it twice so that the 7 covers 15 twice. But 1 is remaining. Now what will I do? I'll take 1 as a divisor and you have 7 strips here over there. So 7 over here. How many times does 1 go in 7? 7 times, right? So 0. So what does it mean? I have this one small box over here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it over this 7 box over here. Let me just get a good grip of it. Yeah. So this one strip, small box, I'm trying to fold it, one fold, two fold, three fold, four fold, five fold, six fold, and seven fold. So what does it mean? This is that one box, right? I had to fold it 7 times to cover the entire box left out. So this is a long division for 15 and 7. Now let us do for a different question. HCF of 6 and 26. So I have made a strip with 6 boxes and I have made a strip with 26 boxes. Oh, this is just not fitting. Okay. So now we all know the first strip, the smallest among this is 6. That will come outside and 26 will go inside. Right? What does that mean? When I say 6 comes outside, I place the 6 over the 26. Right? Now, how many times does the 6 go in 26? Or with how many 6 strips can I cover this 26? That is my question. So we all know 6 goes 4 times in 26. How many times? 24. If I keep covering this entire strip with 6, 24 boxes will be covered. Let's see. I have covered 6 strips here. One, second fold, so I have covered 12 boxes. Third fold, so I have covered 18 boxes. Fourth fold, I have covered 24 boxes. Now I'm left with just 2 strips. So what happens? I have covered 24 with 6 strips. 2 was left out. Right. So now what I do, what is the thing? What is the thing we are supposed to cover? We are supposed to cover the strip of 6 boxes. So I'm going to write that 6 over here. Now I have a 2. Let's try covering this entire 6 strip with these 2 boxes. 1, 2 and 3. Right? So this is a box of 2 length and I was able to cover the 6 box with 3 folds. So 3 times 6. And if you can see, there is no remainder in this, right? So the remainder is 0. So whatever is a number at the end, that is the HCF, right? That is the HCF of it. So for this, the HCF is 2. So or the shape of the box which comes in the end is of length 2. So this is the HCF. In the previous case, I have not written the HCF, I think, in the previous case. In the previous case, the HCF was 1. HCF of 7 and 15 was 1. In this case, HCF of 6 and 26 is 2. Or you could also say GCD. Thank you.